Hi, welcome. This is something a bit different. Anybody that knows Star Trek, this is an AMT model of Odo from Deep Space Nine. It's a vinyl kit. There's not many pieces in the actual kit. And to put it together, I actually use super glue, CA glue, has different names. I used to use the thin one. I'm now using the medium. I find it a bit better now. So, it's just a matter of trying different glues to which ones you prefer. I've made a start on his face. I've painted that. I use Valero oil paints, different ones. And as you can see in the background, two already made, Quark and Data. Now, of course, the bodies are hollow, so I did fill them with just a plaster, even the head. With the two that are made, with Quark, his jacket is not painted, it's actually a cotton that I used. At the end of the video, I'll leave a link to show you how I made that. And back to Odo, he actually, his hands like this, he comes with a weapon, a phaser, which is quite a detailed one. But anybody that knows Odo in the series of Deep Space Nine, Star Trek, knows that he always says that he doesn't carry one. Also comes with his bucket. It actually comes as well with a painting guide, and you get that because I was always not sure in his uniform in what colour to paint it. There's a few others that I have that you can get. There's Kirk, he's carrying his phaser, which is the older type from the original series. Also Dr. Leonard McCoy, and he comes with, I think it's called a tricorder, and it fits very nicely. The other one's Lieutenant Commander Scott, or they call him Scotty, and he comes with some kind of instrument that he's holding. And there's Spock, and he comes with one of the older phasers, which they show just goes here, but if you just glue it on it, I don't know how it looks like it fixed. It just looks like it's glued on the side, so I have to look at that and see how to do that. You can see from the picture it looks like it's just stuck on, so I'm not sure how they used to have them on. Maybe Velcro, I don't know. You can see at the back these two are now finished, Data and Quark, which was very interesting to do. As I say, especially with his jacket, which is multicoloured. Well, thank you for watching, and I shall finish my Odo off. There's still a bit more to put on his face, but I think he does look like Odo. I think you would recognise him. The same with most of the figures, you can recognise. Well, if you want to, I'll now put on how I made Quark's jacket. Thank you.